Niki and Ted.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hahaha. Woohoo! Let's look at the sound. This sound has one letter, A. We all know that the letter O is pronounced U, while the letter U is pronounced U. But apparently, the letters O and U also have another sound. O and U also pronounce A if the letters O or U in the middle of a word. So again, the letter O or U also pronounce A. Says A, 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 A. Many words have A sound with the letters O or U in the middle of it. For examples, cup, luck, money. Can you think of a word with the A sound? Ready, go! What is the capital city of United Kingdom? Time's up. Many words have A sound with the letters O or U in the middle of it. For example, London, come, blood. Once again, can you think of a word with the A sound? Ready, go! What is another word for a male child? Time's up. Many words have A sound with the letters O or U in it. For example, sun, fun, mud, flood. Okay, don't forget the A sound in the middle of words. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Please support us by click the subscribe and like buttons. It's really helps our video to be recommended to other parents on YouTube.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.